Hello, hello, hello. We are live, but I hope truly that we are live. Hello, people of the internet, great, I forgot to first and yes. And what's up? I'm gonna hear how it sounds. White now, just a second. Let's see. Hello, hello, hello. Is everything okay? That's oh good. That's good, that's good. Hello people. So from last time, but we have to go to the channel to see what we did last time. To see how far we went, uh, how far we, yes, how far we got. Uh, one, both, let's see how far. Is there anything on my test? I see that. What's this? Anyways, I cannot see that we built the thingy magic, but in the meantime, from the last stream, what I did was this. As you can see, we actually have I'm going here. I don't remember if it was there last time. And also, mouse handling works, which was my biggest problem. I think that was my biggest problem. And look at this. You can write, and it works. And all it took, just a second, I need, not this. Just a second, people. Let me just check something, and then I can, this. Okay. Okay, yeah. So, what I wanted to show you guys is how I did. So, let's stop that. Oh yeah, so uh, there's this button, shut down, and it just shut down the app actually. So it actually works, which is great. Let's see. So before we had everything in main.cpp, I removed it all because I figured out how it works. So one of the problems was mouse position needed to go before the new frame. Update, I don't think needs to go before the new frame, but I moved it there too, just to be sure. Okay, these are two different things, and they both do the same thing. So we are just gonna have one of those. What update here? This update does it gets just all the clicks and displays them. So displays them, sets them to the IMGUI backend. So we have backend data, and that gets us this backend data. We get our input manager. No problem, no problem. We get our input manager. Then we test for some special keys like Control Shift and menu, which is Alt. And then we have we set is key down to is key down. Very easy. Then what we also have is last. So if in the last frame the key wasn't down and now it is down, we add it to the input character. If we don't do this, if we don't check the last one, just a second. So if we don't check the last time and we run the program, which I do here, if I type something, we're gonna get like 100. That's because we are adding a key every frame, which we don't really want. So we check the last key, and if it is not checked, we add this. Yeah, that's there. Now let's see. Yeah, this is for the cursor. So then we have this. Don't worry. Get IO, and then we set the mouse position to the position we get from the get cursor position. After that, we do all of the where is application.cpp. We begin the layer, which is this thing. Then we, for all of the layers we have, we set online GUI render, call it, and then we add some additional things such as the Flappy Bird. Okay. So this beginning and end gets converted with this one because this is the the game layer has the same. Where is the one I'm going render? Here. It has the same key or it's the same window, so it gets converted into the same one, but those are in quotation marks different. We just have a FPS counter which gives us the last FPS and then the projected FPS in the best way possible, which it sucks, this counter. But anyways, it does show some that I'm using it. Anyways, and then we also have this button for shutting down, where we set the M running, which is used in this while loop, to false. After that, we detach the GUI layer, all of the other layers, and then we reset the wallpaper, which I think explained before how it works. That's the only thing. So these are two different GUI layers. So before we had one GUI layer that was a separate window, and then now we have an GUI layer that's drawn in the background, which is very, very cool. I also had to remove, if you can go in view, show desktop icons. I removed them all because I was constantly opening and closing all of the folders on it on the desktop, and I said that's not a good idea. So I closed that. Now let's see. Okay, so what I wanted is to have two separate, GUI layers. One is what is it? The Win32 one, this one, which is set to the what is this called? To the desktop. And one that's set to the other thing that I cannot remember. To a separate window, yes. So what we're gonna have is layers, maybe 4 like layers or something like that. I don't know if that's a smart idea, like layer and then I'm GUI layers, I'm GUI backend for that. I'm GUI backend can also move it to the other new layer, but we'll see about that. And after that we can yeah, I think that's smart because there's already so like layers, so we can have layer, I'm GUI layer, I'm GUI backend into the layer. Maybe move layers to here. Yeah, let's do that. I feel like that's smarter question mark. Anyways, let's see. So in our layers we have. So I'm gonna have an IM GUI layer. And it's gonna have 4/ backend implementation. Okay. We are gonna fix this up a bit later. Let's do this. So these two. Let's open this folder up into File with the File Explorer. So we're gonna copy this. I'm going not that. I'm going layer. I'm going this layer. Okay, and now we can close this. Don't save. As you can see, we now have. If we go ahead and refresh, we have AMGUI desktop layer. AMGUI layer, we are gonna create. So let's create those two. Can I use this? Because with it, I can use touch. Okay. Let's open a terminal and go Pol H Pol C. Actually CPP, but that's fine. CPP. Perfect. Let's close this. Let's go into here. Reload this. Let's see backend and backend. Including project. Oh, it didn't move it probably. Okay. Exclude? What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what this means. Can I include all of them in the project? What does this mean? What the hell? Let me just cut them to my desktop for a second. PMP. Cut them to here. Refresh. All of these I'm gonna exclude from the project. Then I'm gonna copy all of these, reload them. I don't know what I did. Sort layers, and then include them all in the project. Perfect. Yeah, that was good. Now let's remove those. So let's see. Okay, good. So let's see. So we have our backend. Let's not touch that. So for the let's have that. Let's have that. Perfect. Perfect. Let's got that and that. So AMGUI layer is gonna go from here. It's gonna have all of these. These are gonna be virtual functions, begin and end. This is just gonna be like this. Like on update. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and begin, detach, attach and detach. They're just gonna have different begin and end. So virtual begin and virtual end. And then in I'm GUI layer, begin and end, and also remove on attach and on detach because I don't want to override that. We wanna override that to the other thing. I'm GUI here. I'm GUI desktop layer. I'm GUI layer. Let's see. Core. Just a second.
Zaczekaj sekundę.
Właśnie. Halo. Halo. Evo sad ćemo napraviti. Napravit ćemo malo kasnije ću napraviti, sada što neko drugo radim, pa ću vam ga napraviti. Važi. Naravno, može bilo kucati, ne brini se. Važi, ajde. Nije to četka. I'm back. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm back. Thankfully. All alive. Okay, now I'm back. Let's see. Good. No problem. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Let's see. So we need this, this. Like this. Oh no, actually only here do I need this. Just let's see. So I want this, and this is gonna be my privacy. So let's go to Angular, and it's gonna take what is this thing? Debug name, and that's gonna pass it to here. and we're gonna get this for our desktop layer. And then remove this because there's no need for the what is it for our other layers to have the oh my god, I cannot speak today. For our other layers to have the HWND. Okay, let's start. Let's see. I'm gonna copy paste this here. Delta update. Yeah, just an update on we render. And then beginning. In the beginning, yes. I'm going backend. I don't need any of this. Nor do I really need this. All in all, I don't need that anything. Do I? I don't need. I just need. I don't need this. Nor do I need the real laptop. Just need. Okay, perfect. I'm GUI layer. Yes. So. Where was the HWND include? Okay, let's copy paste this here. What? Yeah, that's gonna be fine, I think. I'm GUI layer. Oh, correct. I'm GUI this and then for application. And we backend these two. Now I need this. Yeah, I'm gonna layer that on attach. Correct. This is what I need. This, and this, and then these two I can remove. Let's need that really. Let's need this. And we will layer. That's fine. And now it works perfect. Maybe because I loaded the application here. But why do I need the application? Yeah, can't see the reason for that. It does that. It will be done. Wait a second. Yeah. And that's good, I think. Uh, huh. Okay, let's see. If we remove the application And there's no need to do the layer because it's included here. Maybe because of this, maybe because of this, I don't know. I'm just happy that it works. This way. Oh. This. Also, let's do it like that. Like this. Now let's have I'm GUI new left up layer. Now CC++ class I'm GUI GLW layer. Create these two files, save them both, close them, and move them to here. Reload just to be sure they're there. And now let's see. So what we want is name base wallpaper API. Then next we want the this is the CPP. Let's paste this here. Include the wrong English keyboard include core layer. Actually, don't need that layer again. We layer. So you're gonna say it's public and we layer. So what do we need? If we go to our GitHub console Flappy Games, this should be the Angular layer we all know and love. I think. I hope. Let's see. So I'm just gonna copy pasting a lot here. This we need it in quotations. We don't need anything, but it. Or let's also open the Angular.h. So we don't need it because this is the H file. What we do need though is this. So it's gonna be public here. We should detach, we don't need that, we don't use that anymore. And here we need GLFW window. Wait, no. I can include the GLFW with 3. Like this. And then here we can copy paste this right here. And now I can use this. And we GLW and this we lay this layer on attach. So on detach. This doesn't matter for now. This layer begin, this layer end, and update. Let's remove an update on GUI render. Let's see. Desktop layer. I like to keep it consistent and place it a bit. Now let's include the top level headers, GUI, and these 3 files. And this does need to go up here. Yeah. And here I'm okay. Let's go like that. Potential W. We don't need any of these comments. If we go in here, what the version we are using? 410, and this is also 410. That's good. Destroy context, destroy window, perfect begin. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Set context current. The other way to that, make context current. And there. Throw up station. If we include the or we can go application get app renderer get make current. I think that's a smart idea to do it here rather than somewhere else, because here we just change it for us and revert it. We don't want to make a run have how do you say it? I don't know. We don't need this new frame size, blah blah blah, render data, so buffers, and then make the other context current. GLFW message. GLFW message. Let's just like code, and then just a message. Perfect. Let's see about this. Let's see. I don't want to build because I know it's gonna break ASAP. But let's try. Game layer. Why does the game layer need the input layer? Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Yes, so what I want here is a pointer set as a. I mean, I can set it. Wallpaper API. Yeah, it's gonna be layers slash. Well, for this one is gonna be W. Yes, perfect. That's gonna need a new GUI W layer with nothing as its arguments. Build. I don't need to include that, I guess. Include layers. And we will build. We begin it, then we end it, and here we detach it, and then build. I don't need this, nor do I need any of these, nor do I need Windows. So the utils and the application build. Where exactly? I want to know. Angle layer begin. Virtual voids. Begin. Alright. Override. Override. Interesting. Public void. application.cpp load. I'm going desktop. Not this one. Interesting. Oh, it's the begin and end. That's weird. Here, this one. Okay, so it doesn't want to open that one. Is equal to 0 maybe? That's what I need to do. It is correct. Let's run it and see how much it fails. It doesn't fail. Very good. That works. This works. Okay, that works. So I don't want that to work. Well, okay, I am here. So it does work. Now let's try with the here. I'm gonna copy paste this. I'm going FW layer and this, build that, run it, and it worked. If we look here, we have our own thingy that still very much works. Initialize. At least it works. That's good. See, this is why I like this. I like this one much better. I'm going layer. The desktop. Mostly because I spent like an eternity to make it work. So now I'm gonna use it. Because fuck it. Nothing. Speaking of the people of the non-watching kind. Commit reverse changes. I don't know. I want how it was before. So let's see. I did this because I was hating the thing. I know. Because I hated the warning that it gave. Change this. This should not be info, but for now. Patch while running instead of while true. Because we don't have should detach anymore. We don't care about it. We can just go to this kind of iterator for loop, to this kind of for loop, which is nice. Also here, because now it's auto instead of flare. I like auto more because if I God forbid change this to something else that's similar and has this, very good. And it still gives out the normal errors, so it doesn't matter. This now also prints the actual FPS and not the calculated ones. Remove the, it's not even shut down anymore, it's this. We're also on wallpaper branch. That's that application. Last FPS. Okay. Core, I had the GL check moved to there instead of the PCH. And PCH now includes the core, so
Ha ne yaptın?
nice. It's
Duyar Toby.
true. Also, let's see where was that. I hate that. I will find it and I will remove it. Static runtime. Oh, this is for GLAD. Oh. Yeah, I changed some things for GLAD because it was it gave some weird errors because of it. And I was like, I'm gonna change it so it doesn't give the errors. Let's open that premium. It's because of these fucks. Okay, then. Yeah. So we now include, I think, different files. No, same files, but look at this. We are now using spaces instead of tabs because we are both bosses. And we also don't use this empty thing, which I don't know why it was there. And we have this here. That's about that. For that, let's just so. Yeah, we don't need the com ctl remake 5. I don't need that. PCH is fine. Main.cpp is also very fine. What did I add? Okay, nothing smart. Let's see, application.cpp. Okay. These three were removed. Input manager, handle mouse cursor position change because that doesn't exist anymore. Should detach and remove that entity. And I moved the distractor to the clean function, so I can actually roll with the GL checks and not have weird warnings selected. Let's private clean. Should it detach? I just changed this to have an F in it. Let's see. Oh wait. Which one was that? This one. This might not be the worst idea. I might not need it. I'm thinking because if you remember in the GLFW, um, in the GLFW layer, we changed the viewport. But because it's of a different context, as you can see here, we create, make context current, and in begin to, we make it current. It might not get changed. I mean, I didn't see it get changed, so it works fine, I think. So let's be happy for that. Yeah, should touch, we don't have that. Render, I just removed some useless code. Added the updated projection. To the added an update for projection when using, what was it? I think this is when we update the viewport. Yeah. And then we added the and GUI backend. This is these whatever many lines, however many lines are copy pasted from the impl-win32.c file or .cpp, I think. Anyways, they were copy pasted from there because I needed them for this thing here, the bit. Wait, do I actually need that? Because if I don't, I'm gonna remove them right away. And that's in the backend, yes. Oh my god, I don't need it. Perfect. Then that means I can remove these two and these two and build, and it's gonna be fine. Perfect. Input manager. Oh, that's great. There are also some hacky things here because it is how it is, I guess. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah, so that's that. I'm going implementation. I think I even need this to. Yeah, I don't need that. That's good. Also, please. I like this maybe. Yeah, that works. Rescan. Go back here. Update a whole load of stuff, as you can see. Whole load of function. This is the desktop one. Yeah. The GLFW one, the normal one, and this is what we are gonna fix a bit in a bit. So let's see.
Can I watch?
So let's go commit this. So what is it? Created separate. I need to find out what it's spelled. Nitrate is separate. Separate. Separate.
Separate things.
Separate.
Separate.
Whatever. I know, don't worry.
Do not.
Separate. That's how the Google pronounces.
Separate things.
Separate.
Those are two
Separate.
separate things.
Separate.
Separate.
Separate. I created a separate layer for both GLFW and desktop. I'm going implementations. Updated glad. I don't know.
Yeah.
I know. Glad. Remake 5. For glad. Glad. Application.
Maki, what's the 4K equivalent? Cada uma piše 180p YouTube.
2160p, but you can 2160. But you can also just write 4K. It's always gonna be 4K, don't you worry. This is, I think, fine. Yes, commit that. Push it. Push and pull and push. Let's now see. When did I? What copy? What did I do? What did I undo? Redo copy? What? Open in terminal. Git pull on my origin. I hate this. Feature.
Can I do stream?
I told you can get pull. You can watch 7 if you want. Let's see if we can merge this. I think we cannot, because that's just how it is. Compare and create. Yes, to master. Able to merge. Perfect. Because otherwise I would very much cry. I think the master is the correct one. Yeah, feature I'm GUI. I already merged that, so I can merge this.
I think our viewers should be reminded now to like, share, and subscribe to Maki 325.
He is very correct. I applaud you for your remembrance.
We
And you fuckers better subscribe, otherwise we kill you.
love you so much, by the way.
No, we kill you.
If you like and comment your favorite video game, you might be featured in the next stream.
Don't lie to people.
Anyways, please show us some love and support so that my dear Maki stays motivated and feels with the love you have for him.
There ain't no love in here.
There's only pain and blood and programming.
Yes.
Hey, you manly man! You manly man! You listen here. It ain't gay to love another man.
What?
In a bro way. You gay fucks.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Please don't curse on my stream. How dare you?
Oh, you
How dare you? How dare you? That's about
Ja, dat zie je nou al mooi. En zie dit.
Okay.
Basje nou het wel op top.
Okay. Yes. Create pull request. Wait to prepare for both GLFW and desktop and Google Chrome. Update the premium. Yes. Pull request. Checking ability to merge. And merge.
Shutter.
Yes, perfect. Now let's see. Now we can go and check out. So we can go to get pull, then get checkout master, then get pull. For hell's sake.
Fuck you. No skin shipping.
What? Get run. What happened here? What? Oh, this. Yeah. What? What the hell is this? What? So no. Here. I think this to commit river change. Yes. Here and here too. Yes, commit revert changes. Yes, rescan. Git branch. Git checkout master. And now git pull. Git pull. Let's see. Git pull tab choose. Not that one, yes.
Almost.
We'll get some of those. Perfect. Oh no, so that dot gets full. Get status. Branch. Oh, these are the vendor things, yeah. Shouldn't I just
Can I have a small survey?
what?
A small survey.
Server.
Yeah. Hey, hello! I wanted
Okay.
to
Okay, a bit.
I wanted to ask all of you. I wanted to ask all of you. What do you think about horror movies? Because I want to see what's the demographic of programmers that watch movies, that like movies a lot. Do you watch horror movies? And if you do, what's your Excuse my childhood behavior. The question is serious. Please comment your answer. I will be the most grateful person in this world. Thank you very much. Back to the stream, Mickey.
Yeah.
I live with this person.
Huh?
I live with this person.
I do in fact live with this person. Okay, let's a bit deafen the audio a bit, I think.
I'm
Perfect.
Oh, no, it's not.
Okay. Use money.
Ej, slušaj, početi sa mnom?
Don't worry, I don't want.
Hoćem šljubat.
Ichi.
Još tebe.
Okay, now my turn. Ne.
Ne. Kako ja tebe volim? Baš sreće. Baš sreće.
Yes.
Znaš kako se stari ljubi?
I know.
Odjednom, ja i ti.
I know. But now let's check this out. Can I vendor I'm doing right? If we go to my here, make it 3 to 5. Okay, let's just duplicate it. I'm good. We can see a branch called docking. I think you can see it. You do see it. I almost got whiplash. Can I pull? You know, what's the difference? I don't remember. I can run this anyways, I think. So now,
Okay, I just
and then not you. I told to shut it down, not shut up. No.
Shut up.
Undo. Yes, undo. Thank you. Let's see. I'm gonna close all tabs. Perfect. Now, what do I want to do? I'm gonna create a branch. How do I even create branches? I've never got that correct here. Like, it would be called Wallpaper Games. Yes, create branch, Wallpaper Games. Now, yes, then no. let's see. There's gonna be wallpaper games. Can I get
Do
for
we have snacks?
from?
No.
I don't think we have any snacks. Also, model.
Am I always full?
Let's see. Get some module updates remote. That's that one. When unable. Yeah. These are the ones the law. I think. I mean, it says there, so it's very much not. I think it is. It.
It.
Anyways, let us continue this. I'm deleting it, and now I think it can work.
You don't need to think it's gonna work because you're the best.
Thank you. Still didn't. Anyways, let's see if I rescan.
If I love you
Oh, this is so much, so many. No,
me.
burnt wallpaper games. I can survive that. Yeah, can you please? Okay, this is two, man. Two. This is two. I don't know what's two, but it is two. Holy shit, that's so much scrolling. I'm checking something out. Blah.
Scroll to a random part of the movie.
Watch it.
Ski? Huh?
Yes.
Well, because it's screaming, it's so funny. That's why atmosphere is so important.
Yes.
The atmosphere, it's actually pretty funny.
Now watch.
Now shut the glass.
I wanna. Oh, do I want? I'm gonna add these, I guess. Yes, update this, this, and this, and then can I go into here? We here. Come on.
Shutters. Loopy doo. Tibbity poo. Ma. Yeah. Huh?
Please.
Yeah.
let's see. I wanna put this here, and it's not gonna have source. Does project name work? That's what I'm wondering.
I want to shoot my pants.
Okay. That was on live television.
I'm sure, but you guys already know that I spew bullshit just for fun.
And also credit.
Of course, I shut a ton today
Nice.
because you much poo. That's system.
Humans don't poo-poo, you poo-poo, baby.
Ah, yes.
Okay, dear. What do I have here? That dear. Generate project. Let's see. Does this work? The probability is no, but let's test it out. Test it out. Rebuild solution. I like all the errors at the beginning. So I'm gonna say it does not work. In the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning.
The mic. Eat the mic. Eat the mic.
No. No eating the mic. Forbidden. Frodo. Yes. Project name. Don't worry, it's gonna be fun. Project name. Where is it set? I don't know really. Oh, where does it even? It should.
But I warned you.
Okay, perfect. Anyway, so I'm gonna copy this, include this drawing with, because otherwise it does not work. I was testing it on my other PC. I just wanted to see if it maybe worked, and I just will notice it.
3 mega PC.
Like, how am I a billionaire? I barely have 1,000. I don't even have $100 to my name. How am I a fucking billionaire?
You're a millionaire, please.
I fucking
Me. The land.
I guess that's true. I guess so. Hey. Ayo. Hey. Oh wait, I need to remove the icons. Now I cannot do that. Perfect. Let's put that down. Get this here. Now let's see if this is I need. If this is what I need. Hey-oh. Are you okay? You're gonna be okay, don't you? I hope so. No. Because I said so. Oh. Wow. You're smotigus. Yeah, neither can I. That's why I use poppers. Pencil.
The thing is, you start because it's anonymous. And I can't.
True. Finish off. Here we go. Why do you need this open?
Papa Johnson.
I don't know. I can't probably.
Then
Yes, it is. I think. If you want for that, yes, it is.
yeah, I think. How do I put this?
Hopefully, because someone's smarting in the house.
Prince. Such is a caso.
Who said it was you?
Such is a caso, Prince. Oh, Prince. Oh, Prince. Such is a caso.
Now, people, if I don't survive this, it's. Okay, let me check some. Let me finish checking this. Configure I'm going CPP, raw internal tables. There's no tables. Just widgets. Text it. Alright, in this works. That's what's important. I don't care. For real. Now let me go to perfect the pre-made file version. Let's see what. No problem. You go. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's see document. It doesn't even have what? Let's see. Let's open this. Git status. Git branch. What does this mean? To be in what the hell this is. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, and this. Now let's status it. Let's status report. Git ignore. So this. How does this one worse than mine? Not code for hell's sake. Stop. Git ignore. I don't know. This is what I wanted. Binaries. Status it. Yeah, that's that. Schmoss. Status, yeah, that's the only thing. As these are the only two things, but what I want. Okay, let's do this. So, the F thing, I'm gonna get not there. That's cool. So here, let's clone, get clone, and then let's go to my. No, it SS. Yeah, I think I can do this. No, the wallpaper games. Now, where is that? It's here. Now, let's see. What I want in here is two things. I want the updated getting art. How the hell do I view that? Appearance? Panel? No, not that. No. Appearance? Primary, secondary, panel, moving, minimap. Minimap? Yes, minimap. Thank you. That's what I wanted. And I also want my. We go and this. We make 5 floor. Now let's open our Git GUI here. Git GUI. Git GUI. Now get to Joy. I added this here. I guess this seems so weird. I don't know. And in remake 5 I added all of this. Exclude your GUI and GLF W. Save space. This seems fine, I think. Just want to check it to this one right here. This. What? What? What the fuck? I was so. What the hell is this? Let me. So I'm gonna open this one right here at the end. New one. Paste this. Let's see. Compare active file with this one. Static lib C++. Oh, okay, here's this. Don't have tables. Yeah, I don't care about that. I'm just gonna leave static runtime on at the top and then set it and moving down. So let's see. These are the two things I did. Then let me add them. Or make pilot plus script. Remake pilot script. Commit. Push. Push. I don't know, I might be able to push. I am. Perfect. Now let's see if I can actually even better pull it. Right. Probability is no. Let's see. So hold. So now I try to recursively remote update it. Update enough. Hit ignore. Non c'è voglia di la self. Why this here? Get GUI here. Branch commit revert changes, yes. Oh my listen here. Listen here. Listen. I'm gonna kill you. So what do I need? Enable checkout submodule getting off. Why are you lying to me? Unless you want me to delete both of these, in which case I don't care. I don't delete them. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm stupid. Let's close this one. Open this one. Now. So, perfect. And we are not stupid. It's gonna work. Perfect. And let's see, I do have my WinMerge. These files are identical. Perfect. Let me check this log file. WinMerge. Selected files are identical. Perfect. So I can remove this old one and this old one. And then let's see. I don't need this. This one. Perfect. And this one. Let's see. Hmm. Backrooms. Okay. Let's commit this to master. I'm going what I'm going what I'm going what I'm going sub for sub module. Let's commit and then push, and then push, and then close, and then rescan, and then after all that, let's go to close other tabs. Let's check this. Yes, perfect. Let's close this one, close others, and close this one too. Okay, so now we can actually work on what's said in the title after a full hour and a half of working, which is writing a model. We're just gonna load obj files because they are very easy to create, and I don't really want to work on something more complicated now. After all this, just let me streams 6, okay, 7. Yeah, that should be fine. Yes. And I'm creating archives or RAR files dot archives for my old streams because they are like few gigabytes in size usually. So this one currently is 8 gigabytes, not the current stream, the number 7 episode is 8 gigabytes, and it's probably gonna be around 800 megabytes after we're done. That's because it can be compressed a lot, and I'm saving it in .mkv, so .mkv, because that doesn't corrupt when my PC crashes, which hasn't happened even once, but you know what? Of course you can. Okay, wait a second then. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you the size of the archive. I'm gonna put it to. I don't see this just recordings. Stream number 7. So it's 8.03 gigabytes, and after it, the archiving it's 988 megabytes, which is, if you can calculate, much less. And now another one which is 9.21. You might be wondering why I'm doing this, and that's a good question. I don't know the answer to that. What? Exactly. That's why I do it. I have no storage. I am broke in storage department. Everyone is. Okay. True. The J file. J file. Wavefront. Is 25. What is Yes. So let's see if This is how it looks. So we have geometric vertices, yes. And then texture coordinates, U, V, and W coordinates. These are very between 1 and 0. Okay, list of vertex normals. Space vertices in freeform geometry statement. Yes, a freeform geometry statement specified VP defines point base curve. U is only used for graph points, and U points. The hell is this? I've never seen. I don't think I've seen this. Let's put something. So desktop. I had some OJ things. I'm like 99.99% sure I had at least one. Yes, I do. Perfect. We can open it. Nothing there. Yeah, let's check. So it was 9.21 gigabytes, and it's gotten down to 1.5. That's very nice. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Yeah. So it's V, VT, VN. I don't know what S is. What the? Okay. If you look in here, so we have an object which is a plane. So there can be multiple objects in here. Each object can have all of these attributes. So vertices, normals, parameter space vertices, whatever those are, and then faces. Now let's see, faces can be 3 or more vertices. Yes. Vertex normal indices. So it's either vertex, 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 or vertex, texture, vertex, texture, vertex, texture, or vertex, texture, normal, vertex, texture, normal, and so on and so forth. Line elements. I don't even see that this was the one. Great line elements. I don't get those. Material name, none. Okay. Logic as smooth shading. Smooth shading. Okay, you don't care. This is what we care about. So if we go to blend, so I'm gonna open Blender here and have example add mesh plane. When exporting, so we go file let me just check this for a second. Export. Okay. No problem, no problem. How do I know there is a creating folder item. Doesn't matter. Let's see. So we can have this. We need to say that I'm gonna yes. Keep vertex material groups white, not triangulate faces. Yes, because since we are working with triangles in a engine, we want all of the faces triangulated. If you see here, we have four vertices in a face, which means it's a quad. So a plane is a quad, so we only have one face. But if we were using triangles for a quad, we need two triangles, the same as with what we render normally. Now let's see, vertex, okay. Render export of object. Control. But why is there three parts? So include normals, triangle faces, include UVs. Okay. Dimension it up. Now let's see. This is the most important part, I think. Yes. Perfect. Now let's see. Take this here. Yes, we need Flappy Bird, resources, models. And we are gonna create a round one. Export object. So what we want is this is Z. This might work actually. Let's see. So we have grounded object. Can I in textures we have this correct. Material. Thing is, I don't know how this works. God knows when the last time I tried any of this was. Which is, I think, great. Preview. Material. Harness. Context. Transform for UV maps. Wait, I might need to go to texture paints. UV editing. And open this in here. How do I edit this? this. Ah, that's the done. I mean, UV maps is for that, I think. Like space. Format. Add vector to model. And well, what's this? Plane mesh. Let's add. And perfect. Yes. So we add. Let's add. Oof. Okay, guys, I need to go. I'll be right back. Hello. Okay, I'm back. Through. Hello. Let's see. Let us continue to work on it. You prefer look that. How do I UV editing? Texture paint. Select all. Transform. How does this work? Waiting material. Here. What? Okay, so let's go back to here. First of all, we create a new material. Hold on, no. New, but new, yes. Let's call it fuel. Okay. Fuel material. Name it. Fabric. Okay, importing a texture. Material. Surface. How does this work? Subsurface. Base color. Oh, base color, perfect. Texture. Image texture. Image texture, perfect. Okay. Open. Let's post this. Round. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, let's remove this because it was a bit wrong. Now add slash plane. Perfect. We go into this. Transform and set it to 0, 0. Materials. Set it to fill. Perfect. UV editing. Okay, then let's go into here. change this. That's... Yes. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see it first. Okay, let's. Now let's. I wanna see how many, how much it actually is. Let's open the ground in. Right, shop.
Ile są roboty wygrał?
Hmm?
Ja gezien, maar ik weet het.
126 by 126. Okay. Okay. 406. Yes, I did. Times.
You are coming with me.
This seems like what a good size, I think. Popo baby. So around 4 times is correct, I think. Let's see. File. Let's change this file. Export as OBJ. Export as OBJ. This OBJ file save. At this, let's go models. No problem. Now let's see, where do I want to add this? Okay, I want to add this maybe here, like a loader, something like that. Loader. Let's see, let's open this. This close boot, move them to the core. No. Stupid fuck. Maybe, actually, entity. You can just have an entity that's from a file. It doesn't matter. Class. It's gonna be a namespace. Let's see. So namespace wallpaper PI. Then we get this. We don't need this, and now we can get void load obj. once the string reference file. Now we go to loader.cpp. I was like, what the hell is it? Why does it seem to kill me? Okay, we need of course. Now, what we need is a file. Input files string from std if string file compile. This is the line file line get line read file line SQL. They were not hearing it because I forgot to unmute, for hell's sake. It's when I was up to give you that. That's when I forgot to unmute. Not before.
I love it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And when we're gonna do this till at 9 p.m. local time. Let's see. Let's see. Pool starts with the string and path. String and start. Or size. So if start one, is this a function? Yes, it is. String one. So pause. Then for size di is equal to 0. Start length I plus plus if string at I don't think this at I not start I turn false turn true. Okay, if start with fine, and what do I need here? First, let's go V. So that's what this is. So we're gonna have a few vectors, STD vector of vertex. Oh, bless me. Thank you. Include entity versus if it starts P, then we can get line dot split. How is there no normal functions? What the hell? Find front. It starts with B. Then we need to get how is there no split function? I hate this. Sorry, it starts with V. Line dot begin and dash. Vector string with one safety string reference str, then one safety string split. Now let's see. It's gonna have splits. Alright. For Sean. Okay, let's go like this. It's gonna be a and yeah. If split at the string. If it begin in size the beginning equal to 0. str starts with str visitor I, it starts with it, f size d plus equal to 0. Then we push back dot sub str substring size substring. Okay, and I say it's gonna be start, so offset, which is gonna be last, and then last minus I. Just okay, let's see. Splits then last twice. One. That's, and then return split. So return splits. It's going fine, I think. Huh? Okay, I'm following. That's fine. No. So it's gonna be split the line with a space. Also splits. So then, how do I parse splits? Parse float from string C++. String to float for double. Poly. From chars. So basically from chars. Where is this included? Chat sort include conversion. Such lightning sphere. Nah, so also wait, let's put it here. Place that data. Split of data plus split size, and then value is gonna be
Maki,
just a second. So F U and EC. Load value, load reference. So that's the set thing. Value pointer and arrow arrows. Load, load, export. 0. And then we can go this. B. And then ABC. And then,
Oh.
unwrap that interesting. So we're gonna say that there's this for you. So we're gonna have values. So we're gonna have values at 0 data and values. You know, this is the same as set string, also isn't size and length. Size. They are literally the same. And data and C string are also X, Y, Z. So we're gonna have 1, 1. And something like 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. And then X, Y, and then Z. Yeah, it's X, Y, Z, and 1. Space. Now let's see, I wanna go into the main GBP. Let's throw 0 here. Then maybe we can just, because for test, for loader, loader, wallpaper API, loader, load obj, it's gonna be resources, models, grounded object, model, obj. Yeah, both. And then run. Oh, correct. Now I need to be back. Yes. And then I feel like back build rebuild solution. Muscle. So let's run this. Subscript. This is nice. I don't know what that means. Invalid out of frame. Please don't not whatever the hell you said. for auto B values. This we one. This okay, let's see. So what I output is this, to make sense, is awful. So what I should have is it's this last minus I. So it's gonna 0. And then let's see. Pushback substring. Last and I. Last I. I minus last. That makes more sense. Yeah, that makes much more sense. As you can see, much more sense. But we are missing the last one. The last. I. Good question. So it's last here. Plus 1. Yes, last plus 1 plus 1. And then here is the rest, I guess. 5. Avoid that. And this, like this, is gonna work. No, still doesn't work. Okay, fine. Let's just do this now, and also just close break here. So splitter starts with well, gonna be last. Yeah, let's leave here so it doesn't automatically close because I have not seen what it wrote out. Yeah. Last is 0. Last plus 1. So if last 0, right here. Okay. Let's do this. Perfect. As you can see, we get -4, 0, and 1. Perfect. Now that is like this. Right. We do get that one. Means vertex, position, and texture. Ooh. We have positions and textures. Ooh, okay. GLM, Fact3, positions. GLM, Fact3, position. First, F2, you F2, action. No, is it back? I think that it is F2, but so it's gonna be positions. But put back X. Z. Okay, let's see. So we have our V, we now need our VT. Now see, we're gonna start with VT because we want to check this and then this, or we can do this either way. So VT, we get two things, so it's gonna be VT. It's just gonna be these two. X and Y, and this is textures. X and Y. Correct, VT, yes. Then VN.
We should make a movie also.
I can see it. Calma. VN. For now, VN doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. I'm gonna create it because why not? It's also back to 3, so normals. Normals. Oh my fucking god, so much screaming in there. The then what do we need next? So we did those three. So we did this, this, and this. Now we just need the F vertices. So if F is gonna be an int, vertex, no, position, then texture, and then normal. So, post texture, and normal. Now let's see. Maybe vertices, and we vertex is gonna be positions at pos pop. The movie is very weird. And then texture at text. And that's about that, I guess. So what else was I need to pick up? Else. Let's see. What are the indices? These are the indices. 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. Minus 1. So it's all minus 1, I guess. Plus 1. Now let's see. I 2, 3, 1, 4. So it's 1, 2, 0, 1, 3. Oh, are those indices? Let's check here the road that. These are things. Which ones we have to use? Correct.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't copy. That is shit. Stop it.
Oh, right. Is that how it works? Because this is one face, so this is one. Yeah. Is that again one? Yeah, that just sadly. What can we do? What can good question? Good questions. So this split us as three faces. Huh. So I have this. Close. Keep. I go to flow. If keep. And skip is false. And then continue. Why we are doing this is because we want to skip this. So with the F, we want to skip the F, and after that we want to add everything. Also, but maybe you can get beginning in the beginning let's see how to find that really. So let's see. So skip. We want this at the top. So just it's actually F now. So we're gonna have again values. This time we are gonna place the V by the slide. Is that correct? Yes. And now we can have these things. Let's print this std out plus text normal and like okay. This and this, and let's run to see what happened. What's shown? Face nothing, and then an error. Perfect. It's yes. Let's us continue. Just part. But this does not look as So it should be -1. Ah, what we did here is wrong. We're gonna move this 0, 1, 2. Now let's see. Again, we didn't make it up correctly. So what we want is last -1. I think so, yes. Nothing to 1. That doesn't sound correct. Maybe this is. Oh, again, this is. Last is 0. Last 0, like this. Let's see, does that work? It does not. 1. Let's again. Last is 0. If last 0, else so it's gonna be from 0 to here, otherwise it's from last +1 to this here. Thank you. 3 to 1, 4 to 1. Oh, that's good. Okay, let's relaunch. Here they are. 2 to 1, 2 1. Okay, that's 3 2 1 1, 3 2 1. Okay, so indices are yours. I'm pretty sure. They're not also materials get open your in first from first text texture contents sample. Vertexes for each triple. The index heights around. That's it. Front and assign next will be index to the triple. Interesting. That's good. I don't know. I'm gonna check some YouTube. Yeah. Nothing, no problem. if you've never read watched this, I would absolutely say you should, because OpenGL 3D game tutorial. I'm telling you now, watch it. Support. Is there no? Okay, this ambient mode is very. I don't like. Wait, is that not? Oh, it's loading to the models. Okay.
Okay,
So I don't know.
oh, just do that.
What did you break? Broke. I'm joking, don't worry. Don't worry. Let's see, let's mute this indices. Exactly. Current plan. Okay. Exactly. F.
I didn't think that I said. I'll just. I really did.
So let's see. With line. Split it. Current line. Split it. Vertex 1 to 3. Process vertex. Indices. Okay. It dies every now and then, don't worry. Always, yes. Don't worry. Line reader close. Yes. And this is.
I will not do that.
I would really like the code for this. Nothing, I would like the code for this. But sadly, I don't have it. Indices. Indices. Here it is, current vertex pointer. Okay, so that's the index. That's what I thought. Oh, it's the position minus push back.
Cool.
So what we have here is 3 indices, UX3. So what we need is to save those 3 indices. I don't even know why I'm saying it in 3. Anyways.
Don't make me scared.
What we need is U3 index.
Yeah.
Now we can actually I can just start it with this, can't I? Like this. Index guys the zero, I adjust then size, space, this, and then we actually start from 1, which is bigger, much bigger. So that's I is 1. Is that correct? Yes, perfect.
Scary again. Not me, not that, not that.
Is that at I? Correct. So this values is faces. Yes. So for each face we add what is now position texture normal. So this is gonna be at time -1 position is 1, and then I'm gonna add its 2 vertices in the faces, push back in. Or is that correct? I think it's correct. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2.
What the?
True.
Thank you.
True. Let's restart to see what if it still works. It does indeed work. Perfect. Let's see if I can return an entity. I cannot, the end. What I can return though is if I go to entity, to this entity, so vertex and model. Yes.
It's basically as yourself.
Yeah, they're just closing it. Can you then move to what? Nice. Exactly. One. So this is gonna return model. So return the pieces and in like that. So model is this model. Okay, I can press extract model. Model is yeah, good. I think I can see out because I think I added it. So I did. I forget this here. Right, format. So then we I can format the document. I mean, it's an okay amount of texture. I forgot something obviously. Let's see what I forgot. Structure. Position texture. After texture, it doesn't close. Yeah, it could have two of these. Reload, rerun. Now let's see. How is that? Format document. Oh. How is that? What's this? Don't need that. Okay. Again, let's copy paste this. Hope it worked this time. Perfect, it does. So X, Y, Z, 1, 0. Is that correct? If you look in here, first vertex is number 1, number 2, so here 4, 0, 1, perfect. And then first texture. So this one, 1, 0. Great. This one. The next one is 3, so minus 4, 0, minus 1, perfect. So this one. And then 2, 1, 2, 0 0.25, perfect. Perfect. So it does save it correct. I wanna see if I load this into the application. It's not correct. It's not in the application. It's in the game. Okay, model. What else say? How many times to remove? Okay. Pause. Yeah. Now let's see. Yes, so instead of this, model is equal to loader fee included. So for loader object, and it's this object. Load. Now let's see. Let's just start without because I want to check this. Person. So 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 2. It's a second loader. Let's see. I mean, that should be fine, hopefully. Let's stop this. Put this all in comments. And launch. See how it looks. We're broken. Slightly broken. As you can see, very weak. So indices are not correct. I can tell you that much. Okay, let's see. First of all, please record 1442. Huh. And this is get I. Huh. Huh. Weird. Okay, let me. This is full. So 4. Auto. Ender. In. Full. Push back. In. To this. So I want. Yes, want in. So I want a vector of in times this. This is just right. So this is gonna be and this is this and dot push back. So let's look like that. And this is value for size d and 0 as in this values size I plus plus. Then in this put back wait, no, wait. No, I just did the stupid. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Export OBJ. Oh, I have 0 pull, then why this is? Okay, let's just to prepare for later. I'm gonna place this in the real spot. So, God forbid later I need it. I don't think I will. Let's see. As you can see, this doesn't really look as it should. And I wonder why that is, actually. Oh, I accidentally commented this. Oh. Yeah, that's not allowed to be commented out. It's like, where's my console? I need it. Yeah, what's this bullshit? It's falling down. I don't understand how that is. But I mean, all positions are very simple. They're all same position. Ah, it's on current vertex position. Current numbers. Interesting. Yeah. So what I need to do? Interesting. I have zero for what I need to do. No, I actually don't know what I need to do. So this is the index. So it's position. By the way, the D is position set placed, and not any other. Okay, now let's see. So what I need is for each position. At that place, I need to add other things. So vertex has texture as well to it. So when I'm creating vertices, which is only these, okay, I don't need these anymore. I don't think I ever needed them really. I'm also gonna zero, zero. Now, let's see. I'll push vertices back. I push vertices dot at pos minus 1 dot texture is equal to at textures at x minus 1. And I remove this. Maybe that's gonna work. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Oh, what got that? I mean, it does seem to work, which is good. Maybe I need to like. What size is it? Place back. This is the IAPBs. Refresh. Sure. How does that work? Okay. Well, this runs. I'm gonna go BRG. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. BRC. Let's remove it. This is totally out of my. Let's finish at 9 o'clock. But he will be there, I promise. Textures at textures -1. Textures at text -1. Texture vertices pushback. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Let's get that. Print model. Let's do this in here. Interesting. 1, 0. One, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3. 1. Huh. 1, 2, 0. Okay, interesting. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Start. Ah, I'm so stupid. It's in the wrong rotation, for hell's sake. I'm not even surprised anymore. Okay, layer. Rotate. What the file? Edit, undo. Edit, undo. X. Scarf changes. This is why you save everything. So you can go ahead and load. Go here. Rotate. Now let's go into here and set this to 90. File. Export. Object. I'm gonna do this to all. Now if I reload my board. Yeah, board. Great news. It aborted itself and it also aborted me. What the hell? Don't know what that means. I actually really don't know what that is. The fuck? Oh, I forgot to triangulate it. Else. Export obj. Triangulate faces. Smooth. Perfect. Export. Yeah. It's good on this. No. So let's run. Yeah, now it works. I wanna put it to 0.0 0.20 0.20. I think that's what I want to put it at. Put that on all of them. Restart it and see if that works. So it's maybe 25. Start. See? No point is okay. So now I just need to find the new one maybe. Reset. I think this is perfect. So now this is what I want to do. So this is 25. This is 25. This is -1. That is -1. Fucking great. I don't have to think of it. Well, it's actually this one. This is -1 and this is 0.5, which is also true. But it does work. Pretty good. I forgot that I can just set it to initialized, you know. Just about. Just about -1. Probably 1.0 or something like that. 5. Refresh with this. Check that. Check that out. Yeah, that's a bit too deep. Haha. It's probably 4 actually. If I remember correctly. It's 4th of a size. No, 0.5 is perfect. As you can see, it's literally perfect. Okay, a bit less perfect. You know, nice enough. But how do you draw a bounding box around such stuff? 5 or 5, 20 maybe here. I don't know. Initialized. Initialized, yes. But just a second. Yeah, 4. 0 initialized. Let's start. Run. That's good. Well, that's perfect. Let's just choose me. Let's see. fuck's sake, God knows how long I've been on mute. For F's sake. Oh my god. I don't know when I was muted. I hate it. Anyways, let's see. GitHub.com/market/wallpaper games. F's sake. Been speaking to instances. Anyways, we finished the OBJ loading, which is great. That means that I can sleep now. I'm joking. Nothing's. I don't know. I don't care. Let's close this. So we have this here. This is great. So we finished what we wanted today. We did some refactoring, cleaning, and then we wrote a model loader in around, what is it? 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Fucking perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you probably tomorrow. So I hope you have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.